This brand name is licensed to Airtech International Corporation, which is a subsidiary of HvacRepairGuy Ltd, and the units are available in the USA and Canada through Amazon. The HJ2C-SWK8 cooling-only model uses a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. They have 3-speed fans, but they use basic washable filters which do not do much to improve the room's air quality. The units are pretty quiet with a noise rating that is just a little below the hum from a refrigerator, but their guarantee is minimal when compared to other brands. They use auto-evaporation technology, so they minimize the need to empty a condensate bucket when they are operating in the cooling mode. The HW4 Sedwo model uses 2 hoses for greater efficiency, while the Contempo HJ2C-SWK8 model is Wi-Fi enabled and compatible with Alexa voice commands. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.